Welcome back to Always Learning. Katie, what are we doing today?
Learning!
Okay, today we're going to learn how to make a margarita. First thing we need to put in is a can of lime juice. Just dump. Nice. And then we use that can, put this, you can use any kind of beer, but like we have ultra infusions, but you can use any beer. Fill that half full of beer. Tilt it so it doesn't foam. You've probably never poured a beer.
I just spilled it all over.
Okay, pour that in.
I usually drink out of the can.
Okay, then we're gonna put tequila.
Which tequila?
Well, we have white tequila and brown tequila. Brown tequila has been stored in a barrel. White tequila has not. This bottle is empty.
Oh. Going with gold.
We're gonna go with the gold. So then put half a can of tequila. You can go a little heavy on the tequila if you want.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's pretty good.
Okay, you want to pour that in?
Yep. Thanks, Jose.
Okay, then we need some ice. Okay, then make sure the lid is secure. Turn it on. Push frozen drink. You ready?
Yep.
Blinking, so that means
okay.
it's done. Okay, so then we're going to take some lime juice, put it in the lid. Okay. Then we dip our cup upside down. Get it wet. Dip it in the salt. Then pour it up.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go serve it to your friends?
Sure.